Okay, I'm starting this video with the simplest cake recipe in the whole wide world, which is vanilla cake recipe. It's so simple, quick and direct. So you will start with butter. For butter, you're going to be using 150 grams of butter, which is measured using a weighing scale. And then you need oil. For oil, you will need 100 grams of oil. Then you are going to make use of your baking powder. If you watched my video on beginners baking tool, you will know the difference between a tablespoon and a teaspoon. So you are going to be using 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And for eggs, this vanilla cake recipe, it's egg. Like you need large eggs for it to be fluffy and soft. So for flour, we are going to use 250 grams of flour, and then for sugar, we are going to be using 200 grams of sugar. Then for flavor, you know, that rich taste, you are going to use just 1 teaspoon, and this is the recipe. So let's tackle an oil-based red velvet cake. What are the measurements for this? You need flour, which is 250 grams, and then you need sugar, which is also 250 grams. They are the same. I wonder why. And then for oil, you need 200 and what? 50 grams of oil too. Wow. Equal amount of flour, sugar, and oil. What could be the reason? And then for eggs, you will need 2 large eggs. Please, if you don't have large eggs, use like 4 medium-sized eggs. Do you understand? So for baking powder, let's guess. Okay, we're using 1 teaspoon of baking powder for this oil-based red velvet cake. And then for baking soda, how many teaspoons will we use? If you're using 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon also. So for salt, we are going to be using 1 teaspoon of salt. You want your red velvet cake to have taste because it's an oil-based recipe. So for flavor, we'll be using 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. And then for red food coloring, because it's a red velvet cake, you want it to be red, but you don't want it to be too red, just 1 teaspoon. And then for buttermilk, a lot of people normally ask me, what's buttermilk? What is buttermilk? What's buttermilk? Okay, you make buttermilk by using 1 cup of milk, evaporated milk, with 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and there you have it, your oil-based red velvet cake measurements. The next one is chocolate cake measurements. Chocolate cake is actually the best cake in the whole wide world. You can argue with yourself because there is nobody that can dispute this with me. You need 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, 250 grams of unsalted butter. But Nigeria, I realized that butter can be gotten at like baking stores, like majority of the baking stores I go to is margarine I normally use and it's salted, so you can also use that. But unsalted butter can be gotten at supermarkets because it needs fridge. So half cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 3 cups of what? Flour. This cake is going to be really huge. And then 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Please, I need video recommendation. Tell me what you want to watch on this channel and I'll actually try to make videos about it. I'm out of content ideas, so you are going to use 4 large eggs, and this is your chocolate cake recipe. So hope you try this at home.